Sharks play an important role in our oceans, with more than 500 species of shark inhabiting the world's waters. These apex predators are some of the most diverse and fascinating creatures on Earth, and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes. From the small cookie-cutter sharks to the massive whale sharks, these animals have adapted to a wide range of environments, from the deep sea to shallow reefs. With their unique characteristics, these predators have been around for an estimated 400 million years, and they were swimming in the oceans before the first dinosaurs appeared. They are one of the oldest and most successful species on the planet, having survived 4 mass extinctions. They can be found in tropical and temperate waters, as well as the deep sea. Sharks have adapted to life in a variety of environments, including coral reefs, kelp forests, and open ocean areas. They have even been known to live in freshwater rivers. Sharks play an important role in ocean ecosystems by preying upon weaker species and helping to maintain healthy populations of fish and other marine life. They are one of the most mysterious and fascinating creatures on Earth. Unlike other animals, their skeletons are made of cartilage, not bones, which makes it difficult to trace their evolutionary history through fossilized remains. But this cartilaginous skeleton allows them to move more quickly and efficiently in the water. However, scientists have been able to identify fossilized shark teeth as a reliable source of information about these ancient predators. One of their most remarkable features is the sheer number of teeth they have. A single shark can have up to 30,000 teeth in its lifetime, with new teeth constantly replacing the old ones. This incredible adaptation allows sharks to feed efficiently on a wide variety of prey. Their teeth are constantly being replaced and shifted. The shark's teeth are arranged in a series of rows with the largest, sharpest teeth at the front. As these teeth wear down or break off, new ones move up from the back row to take their place. This process of constant replacement and shifting within the mouth gives sharks an incredible advantage when it comes to hunting and defense against predators. Their teeth are covered in fluoride, a mineral that helps protect the enamel from acids and bacteria. This means that sharks naturally have an added layer of protection against cavities, gum disease, and other dental problems. This is yet another example of why sharks are such incredible creatures. They can also lose up to several dozen teeth every month and still retain the same number of teeth in a matter of weeks. Scientists are studying the regeneration process of sharks' teeth closely in order to gain insights that could help with human medical treatments. The teeth that are shed by the sharks can remain intact on the seafloor for thousands of years. Oftentimes, divers or beachcombers are lucky enough to come across these ancient fossils. This means that there are trillions of teeth that have fallen from sharks and accumulated on the ocean floor over time, ready for deep-sea divers to discover. Their bite force is also another remarkable feature. This force is a testament to their power, with some species having a bite pressure greater than 1 ton per square inch. It is important to understand that each species of shark has a different bite pressure, and it can vary within individuals. On average, shark bites have been measured to have an impressive force ranging from 8 to 20 tons per square inch. Another amazing trait sharks exhibit is their cold-blooded ability. This means that they are able to maintain a body temperature in water which is almost the same as the temperature of its surroundings. This special adaptation allows a shark to swim quickly through cooler water without expending much energy, which enables them to continue hunting for prey even when ocean temperatures are low or at night. Sharks are known as one of the most efficient predators in the ocean, but did you know that some sharks are actually warm-blooded? That's right, while most types of sharks are cold-blooded, some species have evolved to become warm-blooded. This means they can regulate their body temperature, allowing them to survive in a wide range of temperatures and habitats. Warm-blooded sharks can regulate their own body temperatures, allowing them to swim up to 1.6 times faster than cold-blooded fish. Sharks are some of the most efficient predators in the ocean. Not only do they have razor-sharp teeth and powerful muscles, but they also have a remarkable ability to store food in their stomachs for extended periods of time. This trait allows them to go for months without having to hunt or feed, giving them a competitive edge over other predators. Sharks are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean, and their ability to eternally rid themselves of unwanted food through emptying their stomachs is an incredible survival mechanism. By emptying their stomachs, sharks are able to expel any food that does not agree with them, ensuring their continued survival in the wild. Sharks are notorious opportunists when it comes to food. They will take advantage of any opportunity they may find, regardless of whether they are actually hungry or not. This unique eating behavior has helped them become one of the most successful predators in the ocean, as they can quickly capitalize on a meal that other creatures might have missed. But did you know they survive thanks to a special type of fat stored in their livers? This energy-rich fat, known as liver oil, allows them to go for long periods without having to stop and feed. Researchers have found that shark livers contain a variety of compounds that are metabolized into energy, which can be used to power their muscular bodies even when food is scarce. Sharks also have incredible eyesight, which is one of their most important tools for survival. It turns out that some species of sharks are able to see colors while others are not. The Shark Research Institute has identified several factors which may influence which sharks can see color and how well they do so. Sharks lack photoreceptors in their eyes that allow other animals to see colors, which makes it difficult for them to distinguish between colors in the ocean. This has caused researchers to study how sharks interact with their environment and how they perceive the world around them. Another impressive ability is their incredible sight lines, which span nearly 360 degrees, giving them almost complete vision. The only blind spots that sharks have are located directly in front of the snout and directly behind the head. This allows them to have unparalleled awareness and can help them stay safe from predators or find food quickly. Sharks possess a black spot at the center of their eyes, similar to humans who have black pupils. However, this is not just for show, it's part of an incredible sense that helps them hunt down prey in even the darkest depths of the ocean. With unique abilities such as night vision and the ability to detect electrical fields, sharks' sense is much cooler than ours. Sharks have a remarkable ability to detect their prey before they strike. Scientists believe this is due to the shark's sixth sense, which enables them to hone in on their target during the final phase of attack. This sense is believed to be an advanced form of electroreception, wherein sharks are able to detect electrical signals emitted by living organisms in the water. With this powerful tool at their disposal, sharks are able to scan the environment and come within striking distance of their prey with deadly precision. Sharks have an amazing ability to sense the environment around them, thanks in part to an organ located in their snout. This organ, known as the ampullae of Lorenzini, is filled with a gel-like substance that is electrically charged and allows sharks to detect even the slightest changes in electromagnetic fields and temperature shifts in the ocean. This advanced detection system gives sharks a huge advantage when hunting for food or evading predators. On top of that, they can also heat their eyes and brains, allowing them to pick up on the slightest movement and improve resolution when viewing images. This is a unique adaptation that has been developed over thousands of years, giving them a competitive edge in the hunt for prey in the deep ocean environment. They also have eyelids which act as a shield when they make an attack. Certain species of sharks are equipped with a transparent membrane that covers the eyes for protection when striking at prey. However, white sharks don't possess this membrane, and so they roll their eyes back into their head to protect it during feeding. They also have an impressive ability to detect changes in light from up to several hundred meters away. This helps them identify potential prey or predators. As such, sharks are highly adept at using their eyesight to hunt and evade danger. They also possess a keen sense of hearing, allowing them to detect and locate sounds from up to several hundred yards away. This heightened ability provides sharks with an advantage in their hunt for prey, allowing them to find food sources efficiently and quickly. It also helps them avoid potential predators or danger. Sharks have an amazing superpower. They can detect their prey from up to 3,000 feet away. This is made possible through their incredible sense of hearing, which has evolved over millions of years to become finely tuned to low-frequency sounds such as the contractions of a fish's muscle tissue. This impressive ability allows sharks to locate and capture prey in even the darkest depths of the ocean with ease. Sharks have long been admired for their incredible intelligence and memory. They have the ability to remember vast amounts of information and recall it with remarkable accuracy. This impressive ability can be attributed to their highly developed brains and powerful senses, which allow them to rapidly process and store large amounts of data. With this unique capacity for recall, sharks are able to navigate complex environments and hunt prey with ease. Every species of shark has its own unique way of finding a mate, but they all have one thing in common: they always return to their birthplace to find a partner. This behavior has been documented in many different species of sharks and helps them increase the chance of successful mating. Female sharks have an incredible ability to retain sperm after mating. This amazing adaptation allows them to reproduce at a later time without needing to remate. Through this process, female sharks have the ability to reproduce without the need for male counterparts, thus increasing the potential for successful breeding and growth. Female sharks can take anywhere from 5 months to an incredible 3.5 years to give birth, depending on the species. For example, spiny dogfish sharks can wait up to 2 years before they give birth, while frilled sharks may remain pregnant for an amazing 3.5 years before finally giving birth. Female sharks may be the toughest creatures in the sea. Recent research has revealed that female sharks have thicker skin than their male counterparts, providing them with greater protection against predators and other environmental threats. This finding could help scientists better understand the evolutionary advantages of thicker skin in sharks and potentially open up new avenues for conservation efforts. This remarkable reproductive strategy could help explain the success of some shark species and is an exciting new development in evolutionary biology. A remarkable new record for sperm preservation has been set by researchers working with the chain cat shark species. The team managed to store sperm for 843 days, breaking the previous record by more than 2 months. This groundbreaking research is a major step forward in our understanding of how long sperm can be stored and could pave the way for new conservation techniques of endangered species. Female sharks are amazing creatures with the ability to use sperm from several different males to reproduce. This incredible reproductive strategy produces pups that are half-siblings yet born in the same litter. This fascinating behavior opens up a world of possibilities and has profound implications for understanding shark reproduction. Mating among sharks can be a violent process, particularly for the female. To assume the proper mating position, male sharks will bite into the female before copulation. This behavior is part of a complex mating ritual that has been observed across many species of sharks and is thought to help ensure successful fertilization. Male sharks have evolved spurs on their genitalia that can painfully lock into place during mating. To counter this discomfort, female sharks have adapted by growing thicker skin for protection against their partner's spurs. Depending on the species, sharks can produce anywhere from 1 to 100 pups at a time. While some sharks may have small litter, others have the potential to produce up to 100 offspring in a single litter. Researchers are continuously studying shark reproduction and learning more about the intricate details of each species' unique reproductive cycle. Sharks have the unique ability to fertilize and hatch their young within the female's body. This means that unlike most bony fish species, shark pups are fully formed when they are born. The incredible development process inside the mother's body provides an opportunity for researchers to learn more about this remarkable species and their reproductive methods. The shallow waters of the world's oceans are home to an amazing phenomenon known as a shark nursery. Here, young sharks can spend up to 7 years learning how to survive in the wild. During this time, they grow in size and gain experience that will help them later on in life. This unique environment provides a safe haven for these impressive predators, allowing them to learn and grow until they are ready for the open ocean. Baby sharks are born with an impressive set of weaponry, a full set of teeth. This remarkable adaptation is a defensive measure, allowing the baby shark to fight off threats from its own mother and even its littermates. With their powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth, these pups are ready to take on the world from the moment of birth. It can take whale sharks nearly 1/3 of their lives to reach maturity, with most reaching the milestone at age 30. As they grow, they are faced with challenges such as hunting pressures, pollution, and climate change, which can significantly affect their growth rate. One of the lesser-known facts about the species of sand tiger sharks is that their embryos have been known to attack one another even while still in the womb. Intrauterine cannibalism is a startling phenomenon found in certain shark species. It occurs when the largest embryo in the litter begins to feed on its smaller siblings, resulting in their demise. While this behavior is not well understood, it's believed that it may be an evolutionary adaptation that allows the largest embryo to dominate its littermates and increase its chances of surviving. An interesting fact about the anatomy of these aquatic predators is that they don't have scales covering their skin like other fish. Instead, they are covered in tiny teeth-like structures known as denticles. These denticles are incredibly hard and form an armor-like protection for the shark's skin. Sharks are incredible creatures of the deep ocean, and their anatomy is just as fascinating. While many assume that the size of a shark's scales increases as it ages, this is actually not the case. Instead, sharks grow additional scales to fill in the gaps in their body as needed. These scales are covered with a substance called vitrodentin, similar to enamel found on human teeth. With this specialized coating, these indestructible plates protect sharks from predators and help them move through water with ease. They are specially designed to help streamline their bodies, reducing drag and providing greater maneuverability. This design also manipulates the flow of water surrounding them, helping them propel forward with greater speed and agility than most other aquatic creatures. They are capable of migrating across entire ocean basins in search of food and mates, covering thousands upon thousands of miles without rest or pause. Their skin also has a remarkable ability to detect changes in their environment. This is thanks to their specialized cells, which contain tiny hairs that can detect even the slightest pressure changes in the water. This allows sharks to sense movements of potential prey and predators up to several hundred feet away, making them some of the most efficient hunters in the ocean. Recent studies have revealed that some species of sharks cannot stop swimming. This means they need to keep moving to stay alive and are constantly on the move. This incredible ability has been attributed to their unique anatomy, as well as their adaptations to life in the sea. Great white, tiger, and mako sharks all need to constantly swim in order to keep oxygen-rich water flowing over their gills and into their bloodstream. This adaptation allows them to survive without having to remain stationary for extended periods of time. Sharks often have a reputation as fierce predators, but there is more to them than meets the eye. It turns out they have a unique ability known as tonic immobility that can be triggered when they are flipped over onto their back. This trance-like state can keep them in a state of suspended animation for about 15 minutes. This phenomenon has puzzled scientists for years and is the basis for a range of research. By understanding this behavior, we can gain insight into how sharks respond to stimuli in their environment, allowing us to protect them better. Sharks are one of the most diverse species on the planet and come in a wide range of shapes and sizes. From the small lantern shark, which measures around 8 inches long, to the giant whale shark, which can reach lengths of up to 40 feet. Each species has adapted over time to its environment and surroundings, making them incredibly unique creatures that have captivated us for centuries. Sharks used to be one of the most powerful and feared creatures in the ocean. But did you know that some species of shark were so large they were bigger than some buildings? That's right, prehistoric sharks such as megalodon could reach lengths of up to 50 feet, making them larger than many modern-day skyscrapers. This is just one example of how our oceans have changed over time, and it's a reminder of why it's important to protect these majestic animals. Sharks are a vital part of our marine ecosystem, yet they are increasingly being targeted by fishing operations. Despite popular belief, the chances of being attacked by a shark are incredibly slim. In fact, your odds of being killed by a shark are 1 in 3.8 million. Moreover, sharks are not out to harm humans, they are simply trying to survive like any other animal. That's why it's important to understand their behaviors and respect their habitat so that we can coexist peacefully with these beautiful creatures of the sea. While sharks may be one of the most feared predators in the ocean, they are not the only animals that pose a threat. In fact, there are plenty of animals out there that can be far more dangerous than sharks. From venomous snakes to large cats, these animals can cause serious harm and even death if provoked or encountered in the wrong context. In reality, humans kill far more sharks than sharks kill people. Every year, over 100 million sharks are killed by humans for their fins, meat, and other products. This unsustainable practice is pushing some species to the brink of extinction and damaging the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Unfortunately, their populations have been declining rapidly due to human activities such as overfishing and habitat destruction. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, 143 species of sharks are now listed as vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered. This is a call for us to take action now, before it is too late, and these majestic creatures disappear from our waters forever. We hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the latest contents we have to offer. Thanks for watching.